You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. It is 2024, and just like every other year, I had to make a video recapping 2023 because it was an absolutely awesome year for T-Med. And so, without further ado, the first and foremost thing that I have to do is thank you all. I cannot thank you all enough for supporting the channel. All of the support that I have gotten from you all, from simply watching the content, for simply commenting, taking the time to hit the like button, all of that cost you nothing but your time. And you certainly delivered over 2023 and supported this channel like no other.
I was down there.
Down there. Down here.
So within YouTube, as most of you probably know, there comes a time where you have to niche down. Okay, so photographers, typically with those types of channels, you end up seeing a lot of behind the scenes content, or you see channels that are dedicated towards gear, something like that. And if you ever try to venture out and do something outside of that realm, the algorithm absolutely does not like that at all. And so for me, I had to figure out a way to be strategic. One thing that I love to do at the forefront of everything, and even more than doing photography itself, is I love to travel.
What's up, guys? How are you doing?
So we are going to do pictures with strangers here in Barcelona, and because this is his city, I'm going to let him take the wheel first. So you ready?
So yeah, usually I would like snatch somebody here, and then I would take them, like, this is my main spot at the moment.
Okay.
Just because the light is super good, it's not distracting.
Okay.
All I can hear too in between the traffic.
Let's test shot right here. 1, 2. Cole try to take me out. Oh, dang, my bad. My man got the whole setup right here. Oh, hey, that's what happened when you making the video, you know what I'm saying? Hey, it's part of the story.
This is definitely how I go. You sit down doing your thing.
Yeah.
Hey, this is a part of making content, just so you know, this is the way it goes.
Got the hair flowing.
Hair's flowing.
Okay. Boom, boom.
Tatted up.
How you feeling?
I feel good. It's giving Lorraine.
Just this. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then. Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Ya tú sabes. Pero ahora dame más.
¿Más?
Ya.
Así tú.
Sí. Pero mira aquí, allá. Sí. All right. Test shot.
Yeah, let your hair fall back. Perfect. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
We good? Okay. T to the M to the IDD, Diamond Amari. When you come to DC, now you gotta come to DC
Oh
now,
my gosh.
you know.
Keep it in me. I can make that trip.
Hey, y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? Now, traveling is really important to me because, one, it allows me to engage with the community. a lot of times I have these photo walk events.
All right, so I'm gonna go through the models that we have, and 9 times out of 10, you've seen these models on my channel already, okay?
And some people are not as fortunate as others to be able to travel to these events that I have. And so what am I able to do? I'm able to come to you. So yes, if you have a photography community in your city, definitely put it in the comments below, because T-Mid is looking to come to photography meetup events in 2024, no matter what city you're in. So let me know in the comments.
We're gonna shoot here for an hour. Models, if you want to change, now is the time to change.
Hey, you better go ahead. Oh, you better go ahead. Oh, best out. Oh, try that too. Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay.
Yeah, what's that?
Yeah. Oh yeah, you got the camera right here.
Yeah, that's I'm looking.
IG.
Yeah, right. You gotta
go. We got the infamous light holder that allowed me to get that shot. What's your IG?
Instagram king4.com. You know, holla at me. We over here, VA. We got the legend, the man, the myth, T-Mid down here in VA. Anytime we down here, we want to hook up with him.
But that allows me to engage with the community and really be outside, because I love being outside. Now, I also love to network. That is another piece. I was able to travel to these different areas. I went out of the country. I even attended a photography meetup session in France.
Okay.
That must be your photo.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, 2023, for me, it was all about growing this channel. I wanted to grow this community. That way I can really be engaged and really see the benefits of growing the community. And so one of the things that I absolutely loved doing was that I was able to reach more brands this year in 2023. And I actually got like one of my biggest sponsorships in 2023, which actually helped me see the potential in having the YouTube channel, because as we know, I like to travel. I like to do a lot of things that allows me to create content for this channel, and it comes at a cost. Okay, so any help that I can get from a genuine sponsorship that I actually believe in and give feedback to you all, it definitely helps me maintain this channel. As far as photography goes, 2023 was nothing short of amazing. I mean, I was able to work with different models. I was able to use different lighting setups. I was able to use flash, natural light, and still allow people to see that you can use either one and get great results.
Alright, right here. Nah, just hurry. Yeah, just hurry up. Alright, 1, 2. Yeah, I'm going to. I might as well take some pics at the same time. Yeah.
That's it.
March.
Ah, comme ça.
March. Okay?
Ok.
March.
Marche.
So that leads me to say 2024, we gotta go bigger, we gotta go harder, we gotta go stronger. And I'm looking forward to creating a lot more content in 2024 than I did in 2023. And I created a lot of content. I mean, I might need an editor at some point because it's beginning to be a lot. I mean, I have tons of hard drives just sitting around waiting to be edited. Now, that has been an awesome 2023. I look forward to 2024. Let me know your goals in 2024. T to the M to the IDD. Peace.